Children, open page number 104 in your textbook. The topic is which festival comes first? Given below are some festivals we celebrate during the year. Look at the calendar 2018 to find the days on which this fall. Some festivals are given here which we celebrate whole year. So children, do you celebrate festival like Diwali, Navratri, Eid? On that day, your mother makes delicious food or sweets for you? Okay, so we will see here all names of festivals are given with date and we have to find out days according to the given date. Okay, suppose Diwali comes on 7th November. So we have to find out 7th November comes in which day. Okay. Children, one more thing you can see here. First name of the festival here in this table and second here is given date. But here is written November and then written 7. First month written and then after date. So children, don't be confused here. To write date there are different pattern, different method. Okay. So does not matter, dates are written after months. Okay, but you have to read November 7th or 7th November. Okay. Children, as you know, 2020 is going on. Okay, at present 2020 is going on. But here in your textbook, the calendar of 2018 given. Look at here. So we have to find days according to this calendar, right? First festival is Diwali on November 7. So we have to find out 7th November. First we see the calendar 2018 and where is November? November is here. Look at the children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here is 7 November. So you have to check above 7. Which day? Which day is coming? Wednesday. So what we write the answer? Wednesday. Now next festival is Pongal. Pongal comes on January 14. So we will find out 14 January is in which date. Let's see. First we find out January month. So here is January, first month. And where is 14 children? Can you find it? Where is 14 January? Here is 10th, 11th, 12th, 13 and 14. Here is 14. So 14 comes on which day? Look at here. We see above the days. Here is Sunday. Okay. So what is the answer? Sunday. Now next festival is Raksha Bandhan. Comes on August 26. So again we look at the calendar 2018 to find out the days of 26th August. First we find out month. Where is August? So here is August and we have to find out 26th August. So here just to see. Again 26th August comes on Sunday. So answer is again Sunday. So this way you have to check answer. So children, this way you have to find out all days according to the given date. So first you find it and then you will show me. Let's see the next question. Arrange the festival in the order in which day comes in the year. So children, as we know, we have to arrange all the dates. Here is given Diwali comes on November, then Pongal comes on January. So first, which festival come first? So we know very well first which month will come. First January, February, March, April. Okay. So this way we have to arrange. So January month will come first. So we have to write the festival which comes on January month. Right. So first look at the table here. We will find January month. Which festival comes on January? So here is Pongal. So first we underline. Now any festival, just check it. Any festivals comes on January month. August, October, November. Again August, November, January. Okay. So here two festivals are here. And here Pongal and Guru Ravidas birthday, right? But we have to see here date. How to write both? So first, which date will come? 14 or 31? Which date will come first? Yes, children, you are right. So 14 January will come first. Then after we will write 31 January. But here we have to write only name of festival. So here what we write? Pongal. Then after Guru Ravidas birthday. Now here I have written Pongal and then after Guru Ravidas birthday. Now again look at the date here. After January, February month will come. So let's check which festival comes on February month. But here is not given February month. Are you seeing, children? Okay, let's see. March. March also is not there. April. Let's check. November, January, August, October, again November. Okay, April is here. So which festival is on April? 15 April? Bihu. So what we write? We will write the Bihu. Okay. Now again check after April, May. So May also is not there. June also is not there. July. July is there, children? No. August. Let's see the August month. So which festival comes on August? Here is 26th August and one more festival, Onam, comes on 25th August. But children, can you tell me which festival we write first? 26 August or 25? Yes, 25 will come first. So we write first Onam, then after Raksha Bandhan. So children, here I have arranged all festivals according to their dates. So children, remaining festival you have to write in this column. Okay, this way you have to find out which festival will come first. So you have to write here. Now let's see the next question. Which festival comes in the beginning of the year? First, which festival come, children? Beginning of the year, that is January month. Yes, Pongal. So what is the answer? Pongal comes in the beginning of the year. So I have written here Pongal comes in the beginning of the year. Moving to the next question. Which festival comes at the end of the year? Okay, so last festival is Christmas. Christmas comes on December. So we will write here Christmas Day. Okay, so children, this way you have to write answer in your textbook.